Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. My name is Mr. Sharin bin Sulaiman from UITM Sarawak. Okay, today I will going to present a paper on managing industrial attachment records, student perceptions in optimizing online repository automated system. This paper presented to Comprehensive ICT 2002, okay, with the theme Embracing Digital Learning Transformation. I would like to introduce my research members. First one is Dr. Azina Bujang. Second is Puan Aiza binti Johari. Next is Puan Zainon Haji Bibi. And the last one is Mr. Muhammad Shazwan Muhammad Arif. Okay, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to respondents who were involved in this study, and of course to UITM Sarawak management for the opportunity given for us to present this paper. Okay, this study aims to discuss the student perceptions towards the implementations of automated system in providing assistance, especially higher educational institutions, to be able to manage any related records and documents in which related to practical or industrial training. Students who are registering for practical industrial training have increased every semester. Therefore, due to that, there will be then increasing quantity of information to be recorded also being increased. In the search of systematic and cost-effective ways of managing the information, there is a need to overcome the problem, to enter data into system and managing the filing in traditional way. In consequence, this study will examine whether the development of any automated system has significant impact to the data management, whether it is effectively managed or effectively give impact in terms of data collections, data storage, and data retrieval. Next. This is our topic. This is our paper titles: Online Repository Automated Information System. Okay, Online Repository Automated Information System is one of the solutions in order to increase or to improve the efficiencies and the effectiveness of managing any records or documents related to practical training. Okay, so let me give you a basic overall overview of what is online repository automated information system. Okay, basically this system is tools for recording, storing, processing, and dissemination of information, and it also includes a variety of computational and software technologies. This system is a valuable medium or platform in order which aim to improve the process of managing loads of information. And of course in this research we're focusing in have to overlook on information that related to practical training. Okay, the industrial attachment practical training. Okay, this is another terms that we usually use in this paper. Okay, what is industrial attachment or practical training? Training is a compulsory in UITM. Okay, this some of the academic program has provide the students with industrial attachment, or they have to do their practical training, okay, on the final year. Okay, training is compulsory for students, okay, of various curriculum program offered by university. So in this case, we're going to have a look on what are the academic program related which offer students with practical training. Okay, the students will be exposed to the reality of industrial environment, okay, to the actual job setting, where it will elevate the students' knowledge and skills in specific professions of their respective fields, and to produce graduates who are credible, creative, and proficient. Okay, so we want to give a better platform, okay, for the students, okay, to use, okay, and to practice, to apply, okay, the knowledge that they have gained, okay, in the classrooms. Okay, and another one is the academic staff. Okay, academic staff, okay, also involved in creations of any information that related to industrial training. Okay, one of the position that they are always being assigned with is as examiner or as evaluator of the final year reports. Okay, especially related to practical training. Okay, the academic staff will need to conduct lots of data management and record, especially when it comes to the big numbers of students to be managed, to be supervised every semester. All right, so sometimes it's difficult to identify which students, okay, doing their practical training to which particular place. Okay, and then, and because of that, okay, we try to help, okay, to improve, okay, how the academic staff managing, okay, students who are taking practical training. Okay, the process of collecting, keeping, and retrieving data could be tedious work, okay, and time consuming when they are done manually. All right, so where you have to check every students, okay, for example, like every students, they have to prepare a letter before they want to submit the letter to the place where they want to do their practical training. All right, so if record management system are effectively managed, it can help, okay, an organization to run smoothly in managing large volumes of data and to ensure the reliability of their records, okay, within the organizations, according to Kemoni and Wamukoya, okay, in 2000. All right, so based on these quotes, okay, from this Kemoni and Wamukoya, okay, it actually explained to us that, okay, managing students' record is not that easy. All right, and then one of the IT solutions that we can come out with is with the development of automated system. All right. To add, okay, Zaragoza 2022 has affirmed that the developed system must apply the good criteria in terms of the functionality, the usability, the performance of the system, and to be updated to maximize its potentials. So with this system, okay, it hopes that, okay, it hopes that it will improve the effectiveness and the efficiencies of managing information that related to students, okay, with their practical trainings. All right. Okay, this is the objective of our paper. Okay, the first one is to oversee an online repository information system for the management of practical training. Okay, and also known as industrial attachment information. And objective number 2 is to identify the students' evaluations. Okay, so our respondents are the students, okay, from different faculties, okay, towards the information system in managing their information and retrieving pertinent data, okay, which related to practical training or industrial attachment. Okay, so these are the two main objectives of our paper. Okay, so this is the results of the questionnaire that we distributed to our respondents, okay, which is among students. Okay, as you can see, okay, table 1.0, respondent demographic profiles. Okay, so we have most of the respondents are male respondents, 60%, and then female is 40%. Okay, the level of educations, we have two, okay, levels of education background of our respondents. They are degree students and diploma students. Okay, you can see the percentages here, 48 and 52. All right. Next, the computer experience. Okay, all right. So computer experience mean, okay, do they have in computer literacy? Okay, so 1 to 3 years get 27.5 for until 6 years, 25% 7 to 10 years, 25% more than 10 years, 22.5%. Okay, that is table number 1, respondent demographic profiles. Now let us move to the next table, table 2.0, okay, showing us the features, elements analyzed for the students' evaluation and feedback, okay, which in parallel with objective number 2. All right, as you can see, okay, in terms of there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 criteria that is being evaluated. Okay, and then as you can see from the tables, okay, most respondents, okay, agree, okay, that this 13, okay, criteria, okay, is one of the factor, okay, one of the key success factor in creating or in developing, okay, system which give positive impact, okay, to the students. They believe that this automated system, okay, which believe, okay, can give impact, okay, to the management of information that related to practical training, okay, is important, okay, to be considered, especially in developing such system. All right, moving to the next slide. Okay, figure 1.0, okay, showing you the feedback on the student satisfaction in using the platform. Okay, so as you can see, most students, they feel satisfied. They agree that, okay, with the system, okay, they agree, okay, it will increase their satisfactions, okay, especially relating to the management of information that related to practical training. Okay, and the next pie chart is feedback on the recommended, okay, recommended solutions, okay, with the ineffective use of data for practical training. Okay, as you can see, okay, most of the respondents, they agree that with this system it will help, okay, both students and academic staff, okay, to smoothen their process, to smoothen their work in managing, okay, any information that related to practical training. All right. Moving to the next slide. Okay, as for conclusions, okay, effective automation system is the key, is one of the important key to provide access, to provide data access to the numerous, okay, and various resources and deliver this content dynamically through a well-constructed back-end of database implementation. Okay, and this study can also contribute to the knowledge, okay, where the recovery or the development of the online repository has been digitalized, the management process of practical and industrial attachment. So I think it is a time for UITM especially, okay, to focus in developing, okay, one centralized system, okay, which can be used by academic staff, okay, to manage practical training or industrial attachment of the students. Okay, so that this data can be turned into information, and this information can be competitive weapons, okay, for UITM to compete with other higher educational institutions in Malaysia. Alright, so let's see the future planning. Involve the development of a very comprehensive application which will make the practical training coordinator tasks such as updating the information become easier, save time. Okay, most probably the end user will be more user-friendly interfaces, informative that could help practical training coordinator and students in managing any records. All right, as you can see, currently most of the records are scattered everywhere. Okay, so sometimes we cannot find any specific information that is important for us to retrieve, okay, for the use of future coordinator, for example. So with this system, it will keep track, okay, of any record that has been created in the past. Okay, so this references. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we have 11 references that we have used, okay, to prepare this paper. Okay, I think, okay, that's all from us. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.